5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The Allahabad High Court has recently allowed the second bail application of an accused lodged in jail under the Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act para. A single bench of justice passed this order while hearing a criminal miscellaneous bail application filed by Sunil Kumar para. This is the second bail application on behalf of the applicant involved under section 8/21/29 NDPS Act, Police Station NCB, District Lucknow, The first bail application of the applicant was rejected by the court order dated August 17, 2017, para. Senior advocate Gyan Shankar Pandey submitted that although this is the second bail application on behalf of the applicant, in similar circumstances, the third bail application of co-accused Mukesh Singh has been allowed by another bench of the court order dated February 22, 2021, para. It is next submitted that nothing has been recovered from the possession of the applicant, If entire prosecution case is taken into consideration, then also the applicant was sitting in the vehicle concerned only, Recovery is shown from the possession of the co-accused, Statement of the accused recorded under section 67 of the NDPS Act can also not be taken into consideration against the applicant, as has been held by Supreme Court in case of Tufan Singh versus State of Tamil Nadu, 2020 SCC online SC 882, para. It is further argued that on the basis of law laid down in Tufan Singh Supra case, co-accused Mukesh Singh has been allowed on bail, Similar question arose before the court. Said appeals were allowed, acquitting the accused person relying on the law laid down in Tufan Singh Supra case, para. Next submission of counsel is that role assigned to the applicant is not distinguishable with the role of co-accused Mukesh Singh, who has already been enlarged on bail, para. It is further submitted that although in this case, there are two accused of similar name, Mukesh Singh, but there is only evidence against the applicant in the form of statement under section 67 NDPS Act, Next submission is that call details are also not sufficient to connect the applicant with the matter, Mandatory provisions provided under the Act for search and seizure has also not been followed in a strict sense, Conscious possessions of the recovered amount can also not be presumed against the applicant, as amount said to have been recovered in the matter was recovered from the possession of co-accused. Thus, referring to supplementary affidavit and rejoinder affidavit as well as counter affidavit, it is further argued that no prima facie case is made out against the applicant, Search and seizure was made at another place from the place of incident, para. This fact also shows that mandatory provisions provided under the Act for search and seizure has not been followed, Counsel has also referred to the provisions of section 52-A and 55 of the Act and further argued that applicant is also entitled to be released on bail, para. Ashish Pandey, counsel appearing for the NCB submitted that there is sufficient evidence against the applicant to connect him with this matter, There is no legal mandate to make search and seizure on the place of occurrence itself, full stop. Applicant cannot get any help from the law laid down by the apex court in Tufan Singh bracket open supra bracket close case comma, as there is the recovery of huge amount from the possession of the co-accused, full stop.